What's up, Luchi gang? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I use the SALON Pro Twin Olive Maximum Hold Gel to do my twist out. This gel claims to be non-greasy, have no flakes, no alcohol, and non-tacky. And apparently it is infused with certified organic extract olive oil. I honestly can't remember if my hair was wet or dry, but that doesn't matter because I went ahead and I sprayed my hair anyway. I prefer to do my twist outs or braids outs or any other outs I do on damp hair, okay? Not soaking wet hair, damp hair, and not dry hair, damp hair. So I went ahead and I separated my hair into 4 sections, that way it's easier to work with. And then after dividing my hair into 4 sections, I went ahead and I separated them into even smaller sections. As you guys can see, I'm back finger detangling. So I went ahead, spritzed my hair with some water, and now I'm gonna spend a good chunk of my time just finger detangling my hair, just making sure that there are no knots because my hair tends to knot up a lot, especially when I have it in an afro. So just making sure to take out the knots. I also went in with my comb, my white tooth comb, and my tangle teaser occasionally to detangle my hair even more. So just make sure you're taking good time to really detangle your hair. After detangling, I like to go in with a leave-in conditioner and my shea butter moisturizer. I like to use that to moisturize my hair before going in with the gel. Actually, I barely got any flakes with this. I'm not gonna mention any product names, but some gels that I've used in the past and some very pretty popular gels that I've used in the past, they tend to leave white residues on my hair and like flakes, and that's why I don't use them anymore. So I was really surprised that this one did not leave any flakes, because usually when products claim to have no flakes, I always give them the side eye because I'm like, okay, really? Are you really not gonna have any flakes? But there was barely any flakes in my hair, and you guys will see that later on. So I went ahead and I twisted my hair up, and after twisting my hair up, I actually used perm rods at the ends. So I just used the perm rods to pretty much give my hair some coils. In summary, these are the steps. First thing I like to do is go ahead and spritz my hair with water. I like to work on dampened hair because that way it's easier for me to detangle. So after doing that, I go ahead and I detangle my hair. After detangling, I make sure to go in with my leave-in conditioner and my shea butter mix, and then after that I go in with the SALON Pro gel. And as you guys can see here, I'm taking really good time, like I'm really making sure I actually detangle my hair, because if your hair has tangles in it when you're taking it down, when you're taking out your twist, it's gonna be frizzy because you're gonna have to detangle while you take down, and that's gonna leave you with a frizzy mess. Which frizz is not bad, but you don't want too much frizz in your hair when you do this type of styles because they're not going to last as long if you have a crazy amount of frizz. So after detangling, I go ahead with my shea butter mix. After that, go ahead and apply a decent amount of gel to my hair, and then I just twist it up like so. After twisting it up, I go in with my perm rods. As you guys can see, I'm using the purple perm rods. I use the purple perm rods to curl my hair just so that the ends are pretty defined. my twist dry overnight, so this is the morning after. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm just gonna play some music in the background so you guys can enjoy that as I beat my face. So now it's time for takedown. I always like to add a little bit of moisturizer on my hands, or you can actually use any type of oils. You can use olive oil, anything you like really. A little bit of oil to my hands just so that way it limits the freeze. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the perm rods in my hair, and then after taking my perm rods, I'm gonna start unraveling the twist. So to unravel the twist, of course, I go ahead and start from the ends. But when it comes to separating the twist, I prefer to separate the twist from the root of my head to the ends, as you guys will see me do later. You guys, check out that definition though, okay? Like, can you guys see the definition or not? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel all the twists. I'll let you guys watch me do that. Can you guys see this definition though? And you can see how bouncy my hair is right now. Can you check out how bouncy it is? Are you seeing this right now? Oh my god, this is gonna be super happy. I'm gonna go ahead and separate everything. My hair was feeling very soft, you guys, very soft. I'm not sure what it was about this product, but it just really made my hair super soft. I mean, there was a few flakes, okay, but it was not crazy. You cannot even see them. Like, you cannot see them from the camera, and that's why I hardly use gels in my routine, because it's hard to find a gel that would leave you with no flakes, and I was really impressed with this one. separating my curls, I went ahead and I got my white tooth comb and just picked out my hair because I like volume, okay? Volume is volume is life. It's really hard to get a lot of volume on your first day, like your twist out day one, but usually subsequent days after you twist out, you're gonna get massive volume. But anyways, I went ahead and I fluffed out my hair regardless. So now I'm just showing you guys a little clamp. Can you see how flexible and like how free and lightweight my hair is? It's super lightweight. That's one thing I really liked about this gel. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It doesn't make my hair clump together. My hair still felt very soft after using it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I was gonna leave my hair down, but I realized that every time I do a braid out or twist out, I tend to just leave my hair in the same style. So today I decided to just go ahead and put my hair up in a bun. So that's what I did, and then I just left a little bit of hair on the sides just to give it an extra. So now I'm just gonna pick up my hair, make sure it looks all nice and pretty. And this is after my hair and makeup was done, I was feeling myself so much, so I went ahead and I did a mini photo shoot. So enjoy the pictures. If you also want to see more of the pictures, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. If you're searching for a really affordable gel that it's not gonna leave flakes on your hair and it's gonna have your twist out looking popping, I would definitely recommend this one. I wouldn't use this all the time. This is not going to be like my everyday gel, just because if it's this affordable, like I mentioned in my other video, you know, like you get what you pay for. But if you're in the market for something that's going to work for your 4C hair, that's not going to flake you out, and you can use occasionally when you want your twist out to come out really nice, this is a great gel. You can actually find this Salon Pro gel at Dollar General. I'm also going to leave a link in the description bar to where you can purchase this or where you can find it online if you're interested. Let me just give you guys some extra close-up shots of the definition. Look at that twist out though. Like, that's how much definition I got in my hair. I was really impressed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks to Salon Pro for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna leave links down below to where you can get this gel. Thanks for watching my video. Go ahead and like if you liked it, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.